guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you 4 job types, but what is most important from this video is not necessarily the job type, but rather the companies that are hiring for these positions. So I want to focus on that and share with you companies that you need to know if you want to start making money online. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, data entry. This is one of the jobs that one can do to make some extra money online, especially if you don't have any experience or qualification, because it's a low-skilled job. But having a qualification doesn't lower your chances. In fact, some companies do prefer people who are qualified. Data entry is a task of entering or updating data into the computer system, mainly by using a software either built in or downloaded. And there are 2 websites that you need to know about. The first one is toolkit.com and the second one is weworkremotely.com. They are constantly posting data entry jobs and they are hiring worldwide, including South Africa. As you can see here, this client is willing to pay $14 per hour. They are looking for someone to filter out emails and data collected on their website. When you click on read more, you can see all the requirements for this particular job. There is another one willing to pay $39 for converting JPEG files to Word. And this is something that you can even learn online. If you're wondering why would someone pay you if they can find it online or if they can learn how to do it online, it's because most data entry jobs are not hard to do. They are just annoying. And some people prefer paying someone else to do it because it's time consuming. And I would like to warn you, especially when it comes to downloading stuff, because with data entry jobs, sometimes you would have to download some files for your client and work on them. Try to use incognito mode every time you download. In as much as these are legit sites, you are working with individual clients, so you want to be safe. Usually there are no interviews for data entry jobs, but if there is, common questions may include your transferable skills that you'd like to bring to the job, your typing speed, accuracy, and how familiar you are with certain software such as Excel. Number 2, teaching English online. You get to work from home and the companies I'm about to mention are international, so you will need a PayPal account for payments. But before that, I want to let you guys know that if you prefer teaching abroad, as in leave South Africa, or you want to travel while teaching English, it is possible. Applications to teach English in Japan are currently open for South Africans, and you can apply via the embassy website, which I will leave down below. You'll be making plus or minus 32,000 rands per month, but for this particular opportunity, you do need a degree, a bachelor's degree. It doesn't have to be education, it can be anything, but you need a bachelor's degree. If you don't have any degree, don't worry, I have other sites for you. So please share this opportunity with others and make sure that you apply as soon as possible, because the due date is on the 29th of October. Other sites that you can apply to for teaching English online are ego.com and mytutorlab.com. The best thing about this website is you don't need any degree or a laptop. With just your phone, you can start working, because you will be chatting to students in English and you get to make between $9 to $13 per hour. These 2 platforms are designed to help students improve their English writing skills. That's why you can start working with just your phone. Then we have 2 other websites, ego.com and xschooltutor.com. Unfortunately for this website, you do need a PC or a laptop and you must have a degree. If that's you, then you should apply. For this website, you will be expected to teach students in a video format. Number 3, online typing and transcription jobs. For those of you who may not know, transcription is converting audio to text. There are companies that are willing to pay you to do that task, and the best website to find transcription jobs or typing jobs is talentdesire.com. On Talent Desire, you get high-paying jobs as opposed to other companies, and that's because the jobs are usually from individual companies or people. Companies that are specializing in transcription pay much less because they have thousands of workers to pay. But the advantage is once you get a job, you have a job until you get fired. It's not contract based. But on Talent Desire, you get contract based jobs and they pay much higher. Number 4, web development freelancers. I know some of you are unemployed not because you don't have a qualification, maybe you just can't find a job, especially in South Africa. If you are someone in web development, software engineering, data science, IT, etc., you can make money online by offering your services. And the websites where you can find freelance jobs are Flexible, Upstack.com and Workana.com. On these websites, you'll find people who are looking for different services. Some want you to create a website for them or fix some bugs, etc. You work at an hourly rate. You may have to name your price, but some clients will have fixed rates. If you have any skills or a degree, do check these websites out. Or even if you don't have any degree but you are interested in such jobs, you can take maybe a course online and then you can start applying for this job. Of course, it will take some time, but if it's something that you are really interested in, it will be worth it. All the websites will be down below and please apply. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can.